So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add captions to a video here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up, just go to the bottom here, and there's a bunch of different options, but I want you to go ahead and press on the text icon. Once you guys are on this page right here, I want you to press on Captions or CC. So what you actually have to do here first is you sort of have to record some audio because right now I don't have any audio. So for instance, if I wanted to delete this right now, what I'll actually do here is I'll just go ahead and record some audio. So I'll record some audio like this. This is my audio. Wonderful audio right there. So if I were to go ahead and play it, this is my audio. Perfect. So now if I wanted to go ahead and add some captions right here, I can go ahead and press on text and then press on close captions. Now it's going to say auto captions right here. So if I were to go ahead here and just add some text templates right there, I can go ahead and check that and then go ahead and press on start. Now what it'll actually do is force you to join InShot Pro, but what this will actually do here is it'll record, or I guess listen to the audio in your video, and then add some captions at the bottom with the font that you selected here. So there's a bunch of different style fonts you can go ahead and add, and if all looks good, you can go ahead and do it that way. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add captions to a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.